Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to our daily recap. This morning we thought that the market would pause and or trade lower and wanted to sell against resistance basically at 1875. The market had been up for 6 days, closed strong on all those days, and it was time for the market to pause. Since the fall of 2013, the tendency has been for a reversal day on Wednesday with Tuesdays up. So we thought we had a pretty good chance for the market to break today and come back and retest support at 65.67. So the idea starting out this morning was to sell 65.75s. And we did say that it might take a limit sell at 72.73 against this number to get off a short. Our hope was that we were going to sell 74.76. So this was our main idea, with the possibility of a limit sell at 72.73. The idea was to test 65.67. So how did he put this particular trade on? We have our prescribed setups. We have a way of dealing with the markets. We know from which side we want to trade. We want to trade from the long side or short side right off in the morning. That's what we do. And our most common trade is a retest failure, where you're retesting support or resistance and it holds. So on the E-mini this morning, we wanted to sell 74.76s. We could live with a 72.73. So the 72 sell was in here, and the market makes it up to this high at 73.75, and we definitely wanted to be short at 74.76. So this was 74.76 where we wanted to be short. We were looking for a test of 65.67. And if that held, we could get long. So the market sets up right here. It drives upward, it hits 73.75, and then it reverses. So if you got short at the mean green line, you were short at 72, which was the bottom end of our desired sell zone. If you took a short when you broke that bar's low, you were short at 70.25, and the market traded to 67.50. Not quite hitting our low, our buy zone. So our trades normally throw off 2 to 3 points. If you'd executed and were short at 70.25, you were out of that trade at 68.25. You made your 2 points. If you got short at 72, you were out at 68. You made 4 points. So you had a shot at 2 to 4 points on this particular trade, depending on how you put it on. The market comes back up, retests resistance at 73.75. Again, you could be short in the 72 area, and the market trades down to 68.50, giving you 2 to 3 points. So we never did quite get down to our buy zone. The buy set up later in the day, but we did get off 2 shorts as forecast, as recommended, and you would have picked up 2 to maybe 5. Well, you'd have picked up 4 minimal if you'd taken the minimum level out 4 points, which is $200, and you could have made more, depending on how you executed the trade. So $200 profit for taking our recommended trades turned out pretty well for us. That's all I have for right now. We try to recap this daily. Please contact CNFT Futures for more information. Looking forward to talking and working with you in the not-so-distant future.